What is up, FPV fam? It's your boy dopeyfpv, and I'm back out here again with the Meteor 75 Pro. Because you guys love part 1 so much where I rip this place, this is part 2. I'm gonna show you that the Meteor 75 Pro is still the best tiny whoop you can get in 2024. I'm gonna dive, I'm gonna meti, I'm gonna juicy flick, I'm gonna inverted your speed, I'm gonna do it all, baby. So stay tuned. And if you like the video, do give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you won't miss part 3 if it comes out. Alright? Meteor 75 Pro. Let's whoop!